Here's a video, mostly of me being an idiot, trying to add on the Pro Race exhaust system onto my Triumph Speed Triple RR. Nice. So today is a little bit of an unboxing for the Pro Race exhaust for this bad boy. So I've taken off the old exhaust and it's obviously just these empty headers here. So now we're wanting to put on Pro Race, kind of just things that go in the back. So the ones I've gone for, ooh, nice, are British company, Pro Race exhaust system. I can't remember exactly which one it was, but that's always handy. So I went for black with the filter. I don't think this is going to change the sound anymore. The sound is actually quite good with just taking the exhaust can off, and it's with the thing at the back there. So it should just be, and it comes with the clamps already installed. So let's go check it out. Seems to be a slight issue here. So as you can see, the exhausts from the motorbike are a wee bit thingied, and that is a wee bit thingied. Staggered, probably the best way. I thought maybe we could just unclip, but no, it's welded. They're welded together. But as you can see, first one goes on. Quite a bit of a gap to the second one. And no way for me to take it off at the back. It's kind of stuck there. I'm gonna quickly email Pro Race and say, what do I do? Okay, so attempt number 2. I've actually, what there was the, what do you call these things? The crush rings or the carbon rings? Don't quite know what. So taking them off. So now we've just got this clean pipe. I'll give that a good clean and then I'll stick these on again. The next bit I've just thought about is to make this easier to take on and off. Having the bottom bolt down the way, fine, but I'm gonna switch the top one so that the bolt is at the top. So this now should, as it is a slip-on, just slip right on. Oh, and that is it slipping on nicely. I'll get it as far down as I can. The more down it is, and obviously the more wheel that we see, and give it a little bit of a melting. Yeah, that seems to be doing something. Okay.
What are you doing?
Just getting it on as far as it can go.
Oh.
And then, once I've done that, so much easier to, in fact, change that round, tighten up that bolt, and tighten up that one. Okay, that I think looks a lot better. Is it still recording, Max?
Yeah. You done?
No, I'm just going to show the previous exhaust. So back enough. So that's the new exhaust. That's what the old exhaust was.
Oh.
So big.
Is that gooder? Is that better?
Well, this smaller, lighter, lets more noise out. This was there to. Oh, I've got to get rid of that. This was much quieter and met regulations. That one much better. We'll get the bike on and hear a sound now.
Okay.
Okay, you can stop quick. Little sound check. I think, have I actually done it tight enough?
Mommy will be showing